Today, I'm gonna share with you how I make my version of a chocolate chip cookie. Now, come with me and let's get jamming in the kitchen. Let's combine our dry ingredients. A little pecan flour, adding our all-purpose, a teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder. We're gonna whisk it together until combined. Granulated sugar, brown sugar. I have some nice soft butter. I'm gonna crack my eggs. And last but not least, add our vanilla extract. And we're gonna mix until creamy. Let's add our dry ingredients to the wet ones. We only wanna mix this until just combined. Feel free to add however much or little chocolate chips you like. Let's get our cookie tray and some parchment paper and get to scooping. Our cookies have cooled and they smell so yummy. Oh, look at that chewiness. This is really good. Like, really good. And I'm not saying this because I made it.